know if you are living a balanced life? One of the biggest things we've learned over the years is that we need to stop focusing on improving our standard of living and start focusing on improving the standard of our life. Now, you're probably looking at me and wondering, what is the difference? Your standard of living is typically measured by things like your bank balance, your job, your house, your car, everything that society tells you you need to be happy. Your standard of life is the level of your health, your emotional comfort, your connections to friends and families, your happiness and your sense of purpose, everything that you actually need to feel more balanced and fulfilled. But the challenge is that there's no tool out there to help you measure the standard of your life, holistically at least. How can you fix something if you don't even know it's broken? How can you find balance if you don't even know where the imbalance lies? This is where we have created the standard of your life score. We call it the Soul Score. The Soul Score is a simple self-assessment that is the result of a decade of experience and research. It combines evidence-based markers from both science and spirituality to help you measure the standard of your life across 6 pillars: your mind, your body, relationships, your work, environment. Once you take the score, you will get a customized report based on your own unique balance score to help you understand the areas of your life that need the biggest growth and change. If you are looking to find a happier life, if you're looking to lead a more fulfilled life, I invite you to take 5 minutes out and do this self-assessment. If you're interested, there's a link below this video.